From selecting the freshest oranges to transporting and arranging them on the line, every step is done with care and thoughtfulness. Fontanini Apple Sorting Machine is an advanced and effective device for sorting apples according to size, color, and quality. With advanced technology, this machine not only helps increase production productivity, but also minimizes problems and errors during the sorting process. Looking at the Fontanini Apple Sorting Machine, we can see the accuracy and uniformity in the sorting process. The apples are fed into the machine and then automatically sorted based on previously set parameters. The image of ripe red tomatoes frolicking on the chain. We cannot help but feel their freshness and appeal. Each tomato is carefully cared for and harvested to ensure it reaches peak ripeness. When put on the chain, each tomato is like a brilliant gem, happily moving and jumping on the conveyor belt, creating an extremely lovely and eye-catching scene. The careful and precise arrangement of each tomato on the line not only creates a vibrant scene, but also demonstrates the care and attention that the producer has for his product. This shows a great combination of technology and enthusiasm, helping to create quality and attractive products for consumers. The butter production line is an impressive sight that is not only an embodiment of modernity and progress in the food processing industry, but also a symbol of care and attention to product quality. Products. Looking at this line, we can feel the organization and efficiency of the production process. From selecting ripe red avocados through selection, transportation, to handling and packaging, every step is done carefully and professionally. Automation and precision in each process help optimize production productivity and ensure product quality. At the same time, the use of modern technology also helps reduce waste and increase labor efficiency. Multi-lane fruit sorting and packaging line is a perfect system to optimize the production process. This factory can produce about 5 million products per year. And until now, Hyundai's wheel rims are constantly being refined to enhance protection for passengers and the vehicle in case of collision. To create the unique beauty of glass cups, quartz sand is the main raw material used in the production process. The stubborn top coat filth will only be removed with the help of detergent. Do you guys know where did he get those shoes? The art of glass making calls for skillful hands and a good aesthetic eye. The process of lowering concrete cage underground. Noodles made from corn flour will surely bring an unforgettable taste. With the support of machinery, the piles are fixed without much time and efforts. The no-look challenge of working.